Welcome to our channel where we explore the latest advancements in AI and their impact on our lives. Today, we will be discussing 5 jobs that are unlikely to be replaced by AI anytime soon. Despite the increasing use of AI in various industries, there are certain jobs that require unique skills and abilities that cannot be replicated by machines. Let's get started. 1. Creative professionals. AI can be used to generate art, music, and literature. However, the work of creative professionals such as artists, musicians, and writers requires a high level of creativity and originality that cannot be replicated by AI. These professionals bring their unique perspective, imagination, and emotions to their work, creating pieces that connect with people on a personal and emotional level. 2. Healthcare professionals. AI can assist healthcare professionals by analyzing data and providing diagnostic suggestions, but it cannot replace the human touch and empathy that healthcare professionals provide. Healthcare professionals need to communicate with patients, understand their needs, and provide compassionate care that only humans can offer. 3. Teachers. Teaching is a complex profession that requires a deep understanding of the subject matter, effective communication skills, and the ability to engage with students. While AI can provide educational resources and assist with grading, it cannot replace the role of a teacher in inspiring, motivating, and guiding students towards their goals. 4. Social workers. Social workers play a crucial role in helping people overcome social, emotional, and economic challenges. They provide support, guidance, and advocacy for people in need, often working in high-stress environments. The human connection and emotional intelligence that social workers bring to their work cannot be replicated by machines. 5. Emergency responders. Emergency responders such as firefighters, police officers, and paramedics work in unpredictable, high-stress environments where quick decision-making and physical agility are essential. While AI can provide assistance in emergency situations, it cannot replace the bravery, quick thinking, and physical ability required to carry out these jobs. While AI has the potential to revolutionize many industries and create new opportunities, it cannot replace certain jobs that require uniquely human skills and abilities. As AI continues to evolve, it's important to recognize and appreciate the value of human workers in these fields. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.